Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodandaramaya and I give you latest updates on technologies and abroad education. In this video, I would like to present on a topic called enumerating coding in data science to enrich the platform value. Data science is a blend of various tools and algorithms. Data science is a trending topic in artificial intelligence. When the tech era started, the major burden it has to undertake was to store data and make good use of it. Data science is the add-on to the emerging utilization of such stored data. Artificial intelligence technologies like big data and Hadoop are housing large amount of data in encrypted and open source formations. The data is valued as an asset to organizations with the content it has, but that does not make any profit for the company. Data gains profit and attraction only when technologies like data science are added to the system. Data science was not getting traction until the 1990s, but since then the field is widely acting as an attractive platform of artificial intelligence. Harvard calls data scientist profession as the sexiest of all. However, the job of a data scientist is not as easy as it sounds. It involves being an expert in everything. What is data science? Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from raw data. The technology is primarily used to make decisions and predictions, making use of predictive causal analytics, prescriptive analytics and machine learning. It involves large sets of data with statistical methods to attract trends, patterns or other relevant information. A data scientist usually explains what is going on by processing data history. Data scientists may come from many diverse educational and work experience backgrounds, but they should be strong on what data science represents as four pillars of the technology. Programming. Data scientists should be aware of the program, data, hierarchies and data sets to code algorithms and develop models. Mathematics. Data science involves a lot of mathematical structures which a data scientist should encounter. It is highly essential for modeling experimental designs. Computer science. Basic knowledge of computer science is essential to the field as it incorporates coding and devising. Communication. Reaching out to the audience is a major task. The wise work and efforts are kept aside. A data scientist should work viable for all audience by telling the story through right visuals and facts to convey the importance of their work. Coding as a key feature of data science. It may sound weird to merge data scientists with coding, but that is how data science works. Coding is a mandatory task that comes in when data science is on the table. It appears in every step of the process. Here are some of the step-by-step analysis of how coding untangles the data science issues. Knowing the tools and addressing the problems. Data scientists should necessarily be aware of the problem that they are going to encounter before starting to program a data science function. It also involves being sensitized about the tools, software and data that should be used throughout the process. This first step towards configurations unravels the pre-planning of data scientists. Filtering the essential data. Data is an essential substance for making analysis. However, data is vast and large. It is moreover unorganized and mixed, making systems confused, pushing the solution to be delayed or delivering wrong predictions. A Forbes report suggests that per day humans create 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. This data ranges from duplicate or missing data sets and values, inconsistent data, miscentered data, or even outdated data. Henceforth, a data scientist should first pull out the set of data that he finds necessary and start coding by making the lead out of it. Analyzing data with proper application. The major task of data science is to analyze the formulated uniform data. The process involves applications like Python, R and MATLAB, which are popular in the field. Though these languages have a steeper learning curve than Python, they are useful for an aspiring data scientist as they are widely utilized. Attracting audience through creative visualization. The importance of completed work is complemented by the way a presenter conveys it to the viewers. The same task happens with the data scientist and his or her analysis. Visualization is a vital forum that is being used by data scientists to convey their analysis. This could be established using graphs, charts and other easy to read visuals which will make the audience grasp the concept. Python, the widely used language, comes with a package of Seaborn and Prettyplotlib, which will help the data scientists in making the visualization. Programming languages in data science. Python. Python can be used to obtain, clean, analyze and visualize data. It is considered as the programming language that serves as the foundation of data science. NumPy and Pandas. The package of NumPy and Pandas can compute complex calculations with matrices of data, making it easier for data scientists to focus on solutions instead of mathematical formula and algorithms. Java. Java can be used in a vast number of the workplace. Remarkably, plenty of big data realm are written in Java. Data science application involves programming in every step, which further leads to coding, taking them head on to bring perfectly analyzed predictions and solutions. Henceforth, an aspiring data scientist needs to be well aware of the coding systems and its features. The data scientist should make sure that he or she is good at all aspects before starting a career at a data science platform. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and you can share this video among your friends and well-wishers. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the success in your career. Thank you for viewing my video.